Welcome to Urdu magazine. Please subscribe my channel. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do, so throw off the bowlines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, discover. Teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishments toward organizational objectives. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. When I was 5 years old, my mother always told me that happiness was the key to life. When I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. I wrote down happy. They told me I didn't understand the assignment, and I told them they didn't understand life. When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one that has been opened for us. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Take chances, make mistakes. That's how you grow. Pain nourishes your courage. You have to fail in order to practice being brave. You're going to fail your way to success. You have nothing to be ashamed of, so keep your head up. It's much easier to come up with excuses of why you can't do it. If you do what is easy, your life will be hard. Thanks for watching Urdu magazine. Please subscribe my channel.